on, brother.
Heart on fire, set my heart afire.
Alright guys, so after seeing Sebastian's reaction, we're going to a meet going on. It's Broke Boys. It's an Escondido group in SD, so we're gonna check it out. And I don't know if you guys see my previous videos, you know, on the car meets, that I'm always late. I'm always running late, so yes, it is 4 p.m. The meet started at 2 and it's gonna be done at 5, so we're gonna see if there's any cars, anything going on. Hopefully there is. So stay tuned for that, guys.
I'm not gonna lie to you kids, it's a f***ing jungle out there. Keep your head on tight, unknown brain and mind me, baby, let's do it. Y'all see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, you're too strong, wanna battle with the beast, bring a few on, the commander and the chief for my crew on, bullets rattling and whistle at your toque, never sleep, eyes open, hands clutching on my loop, this a war zone. It's a war zone. Yo, this a motherfucking war zone. It's a war zone. Feel the impact, yeah, break it open, leaving nothing intact. Hey yo, you been hacked, in a safe hardened, but I found it, homie, been cracked. Hey yo, we been back, you been stacking, see you flexing with the thin stack. Hey bitch, you been whacked, I kill them all, feel a motherfucking impact. Yo, this a war zone, homie, say you ready and prepared. Take a minute, make them aware. Well, I be sneaking in the back, but it's what the clap, homie, life ain't fair. Caught me crawling through the mud, where the vision saw it clearly. Born a shepherd to these sheep, make them fear me. This a war zone, trashed out, trap house, nothing ever given. Yeah, every day's a blessing, thank the Lord, oh how I'm living. See me riding with my top down, oh cops round.
Oh shit. So the car is that?
That's his car.
Hey, I'll race you with slips.
Oh shit!
I'll give you the hit. he said I'll give you a mile. Oh my god. He's a car guy. He's a car guy. Yeah, that's fucking awesome.
Just got that on YouTube.
Should you wish for a pink slip?
Yeah, pink slip is when you wait for your car. So you know, so yeah, this is just for.
Someone else, bro. I know these things are quick. Yeah, you're slow.
Let me record.
Yeah. Oh, he was like, he wants to raise the heat. I think so, but no. Hey, we got to roll them these right here now. Huh? I don't know, man. Alright, man. Thank you. There you go. Good job.
Cool guy, huh? So, no, yeah, bro. Good, bro. See you big picture of that, man.
What happened to that car?
Oh, that one? No, you should either take the bumper for a reason. Either because the car's too low and it's hitting the ground. Ask him. Yeah, why not? Ask him. Bro, he wants to know why you took your bumper off. Let him know, let him know.
Wrapped.
Alright. I thought it was because too low.
Oh,
Is that back?
is actually no, it's static.
Is that it? Okay, yeah. That's sick though. You don't mind being on YouTube?
Okay.
Alright, brother. See, what color you wrapping it?
Plain white.
Plain white, yeah. Cool. Have you think about white pearl? The new
I'm
white
gonna do
pearl?
a livery on the side or something. I just
Okay.
don't know yet.
Alright. That's sick, man. That's gonna go tenor, bro. That's gonna go.
Yep.
Alright, man. Let's see how we do.
Damn.
Look how low that is, man.
That's freaking low. Isn't that bad?
Like one finger?
Like if it's that low, you can like come out, right?
Yeah. GTI too.
Dang, dude. I always love the classic cars.
So you know how there's a Supra?
Yeah.
There's also the Skyline. What's up, brother? So this is the Skyline.
One year.
Whoa, damn.
Madre, tío.
Oh, this is like the OGs, man. This is the OGs. This is like the.
I feel like a kid on Christmas.
Oh, there you go. Yeah,
The
bro.
engine, dude.
Turbo. Awesome.
That's so bad,
How'd you get it, bro? Where'd you get it from? Where'd you get it from, man, Jenner? Do YouTube, Ronald. You okay being on YouTube?
Yeah, I don't care.
Where'd you get a GTR, bro?
It's GTSD.
GTSD. Where'd you get it?
91?
91.
Yeah.
Beautiful, man.
Yeah, I actually picked it up while I was in Japan.
Oh shit. Okay. You got it from?
I got it for $2,700.
Really?
Yeah.
What the
Man, what about the importer though?
For my other car that I brought back, it was about $3 grand total.
You got really?
Yeah. So I had a guy in Japan who was an exporter,
Okay.
and he's like $1,500 flat. And then I had my importer was like, yeah, just pay me the fees. That's it. And then that paid for tow truck, 2 trailers because I missed the first port visit.
Oh, okay.
They're like basically like, you're too late. You need to come back another day. So I had to call and schedule another time.
Dang.
That time I got there like 30 minutes earlier. Like, hey, we're getting ready for lunch. Give us another $250. You can pick it up. Because basically I had to pay them 4 hours worth of time.
Yeah.
Because they were getting ready to go on lunch. And they're like, well, we have another shipment coming in today, so you're in luck.
That's badass, bro. That's good, man.
Everything you see on this,
Go right, brother.
I've done it myself.
That's a true car guy. That's a true car guy right there. Yeah, definitely, man. Damn, that's a famous GTR, bro. Alright, bro. When we walking around, man, I see you on this video, bro. Some offices are cool. Yeah, they're cool, man. This is the A6. Big wheelie A6.
They have a cat on there.
Oh yeah.
You have to
What's that, guys?
put the cat there. Come on now.
Damn. See? Take that diffuser out just for the hood. What's up, brother? Ah, damn.
It's not illegal, is it?
I mean, everything.
Huh?
Can't ask that, bro. Another A6. So it's okay. Okay, look at the rims.
What is it, silver, right?
Chrome. That's chrome.
Chrome.
Then I
Is
got
it chrome? Is it chrome like yellow?
no, it's just chrome. Gold is yellow.
No, but there's like a chrome that is
Got it
yellow.
from here? That's it from here. Let's go.
Right?
Hey, you guys don't mind being on YouTube? Alright, cool, bro. Just to you guys.
Top feelings.
Alright guys, so far everything's looking good. Beautiful cars. Cannot be a meet without a Supra GTR, you know, A6s and Escondido. But now we got a nice classic, which actually caught the cops' attention, and that's the famous Z. My beautiful dream car that one day soon I'll have. Oh man. This is the Z. This is like the OG Z.
Yeah, you guys gotta come on the cars. You know, for the X.
240Z. That's even that's like the OG, bro. So in the Z line, this is like the.
These are cars that are probably never really rare to find out.
This is 1969, bro.
Puta madre.
I believe 1969, 1989.
They looked more beautiful back then, los carros, ¿no?
Only what engine it has.
¿Sí o no? Los carros del año atrás eran más lindos, hermano.
Fair Lady, the Fair Lady Z. We got for the truck. Ford Raptors. Trucks over there, the tricks representing Mexico. You got the Fast and Furious truck over there. You got the Beamers, the BMWs. Alright, here we go. That's Sonic too. The Lexus, of course, 86. Damn, let's see that engine though, bro. Oh, it's beautiful, man. Look at that. Twin turbo? Yeah. What's up, guys? Twin turbo.
Yeah, they're fast though.
Damn. Oh, same thing. Beautiful, man. That intake though.
That shit.
Should be getting cars from twin turbos. We'll go.
I'm not gonna lie to you kids, it's a f***ing jungle out there. Keep your head on tight, unknown brain to mind me, baby, let's do it. Y'all see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, get too strong, wanna battle with the beast, bring a few on, the commander and the chief for my crew on, bullets rattling and whistle at your toque, never sleep, eyes open, hands clutching on my loot, this a war zone. This a war zone. Yo, this a motherfucking war zone.
Satisfaction, man. You rev a little bit? Yeah. God damn, bro. Nice video, man. Take care, bro. Shit, man. God damn, bro. One day, man. One day. The seat's taking off too. We don't need. Car's getting some love. Car's getting some love. I park a little bit away from the road. He's getting some love. Rev it, bro. Rev it.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie to you kids, it's a f***ing jungle out there. Keep your head on tight, unknown brain to mind me, baby, let's do it. Y'all see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, get too strong, wanna battle with the beast, bring a few on, the commander and the chief for my crew on, bullets rattling and whistle at your toque, never sleep, eyes open, hands clutching on my loot, this a war zone. This a war zone.
Alright, fam. So even though I came a little bit late, I think it came out pretty decent. What do you think, bro?
Pretty okay.
My brother loves seeing the Supra and everything.
Oh, the old classic cars.
The old classic cars. Yeah, he loves classic cars. He's an American muscle type.
You know what they say, if they're old, then they're gold.
I love that. Then we got the famous YouTuber here. You know this guy? This is a famous YouTuber. This is the camera from the YouTuber, bro. It is, man. Oh shit, I think it is, bro.
It's kind of dirty, the car.
I didn't get time to do anything right now. So we got new cars coming in, no new cars? Okay. That Supra looks clean though, bro. God damn. Look at this one, man. The Miata car. Got the wide body on. Beautiful, man. Damn. See, I don't know, a lot of people talk shit about this car.
I'm not gonna lie to you kids, it's a freaking jungle out there. Keep your head on tight, unknown brain in my see me flying, never drop down. Drop down, smoking high, I am not round. I'm not round, no denying what I got now. I got now.
Alright fam, just finished editing the video right now. Huge shout out to Broke Boys, you know, Brother and I had a lot of fun. Hopefully next time I can be there on time. We'll be uploading this video on what's Wednesday. It's Wednesday right now. Me, it was on Sunday, but huge shout out to them. It was really dope, you know. I know there's more cars before I showed up, so you know, next time for sure we'll be there on time. Alright guys, like always, it's not just about the car. We'll say sexy other fam.